Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today, my brother and sister and I wanted to do a paper airplane competition, so we're doing it on YouTube. And first are my 3 planes. We all made 3 paper airplanes, and this is my plane. I'll be showing you in a future episode. Same with this one. And this is a plane that I've already showed you, the Mini Omega. And then these are my little sister's planes, on 3. And then these are my brother's planes. So we'll see who wins. So first, my little sister goes. Pick your plane up and throw it. And it didn't go very far. Landed on our dad's truck. So now it's my turn. I'm using this plane. Yeah, okay. Oh gosh, that plane failed. It did like a loop and went under the deck. So now, my brother's plane, the flying cylinder, go. None of the first planes did too well, but I think my brother's won.
And then
Second planes. So now, my little sister wouldn't go first. Go. That plane spiraled to the ground. My turn. This plane. I have high hopes in this one. For this one. I shouldn't have had high hopes because it looped around. Now my brother's plane. Here it goes. Okay, a plane I know will not. Okay, now it's her turn. Little sister. That plane. And farthest flight yet. Good job. Now it's my turn. Come on. Bring this home for the win. I just kissed my plane. Yes.
ew.
Okay, here it goes. Yes! Unstoppable! Way over there. So, now, my brother's final plane. Oh! Right behind mine. Well, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little different from my normal videos. Well, goodbye.
I love you, Daddy.
Bye.